Dark neck is a common beauty problem faced by women in different ethnicities. This is a skin condition caused by dark pigmentation on the skin. This skin condition does not affect the health, but it can hinder you from wearing different style clothes and have a huge impact on your self-confidence. Dark neck is caused by excess production of melanin in the epidermis of the skin. The epidermis is the top layer of the skin. This layer contains melanin, or the pigment that gives the skin its color. Two of the leading causes of skin discoloration on the neck is aging and sun exposure. Dark neck can also be an underlying symptom of health problems such as polycystic ovary syndrome, genetics, and diabetes. Discoloration can also be caused by sudden weight loss or weight gain, unbalanced diet, and poor hygiene. When cleaning the face and applying sunblock, we tend to skip on applying products on the neck. The skin of the neck is sensitive to sun damage. Here are the best home remedies for dark neck. Lemon. Lemon is a common ingredient when it comes to skin lightening. The natural bleaching properties of lemon can help reduce pigmentation of the skin and remove buildup. The citric acid in lemon can also help lighten the dark skin around the neck within a few days. There are different ways you can apply lemon on the skin. You can apply lemon juice directly on the skin or take a fresh slice of lemon and rub it against the skin. This will help exfoliate the skin and remove dark pigments. When using lemon on the skin, avoid contact with sunlight. This will cause irritation on the skin and a stinging sensation. Oats. Oats work as a natural exfoliant on the skin, making it the perfect treatment for dark neck. This is effective in dark neck that's been caused by lack of proper hygiene. The oats will help remove oil deposits, grime, and dirt on the skin that makes it appear darker. An effective recipe for dark neck is tomato pulp and oats. The oats will remove the dead skin cells, while the tomato pulp lightens the skin. This powerful combination will lighten the skin. Mix equal parts oats and tomato pulp together. Use this paste around the neck and massage it in for about 10 minutes or more. Remove the paste using a pumice stone or scrub with water. Dry the skin and apply moisturizer. Continue doing this 3 times a week. Fruit mask. Mixing together lightening and exfoliating fruits such as bananas, orange, avocado, papaya, apple, and more will work well against a dark neck. These nutritional fruits contain enzymes and vitamins that can improve the skin's appearance. A fruit mask can help tone the skin, lighten the dark patches, and moisturize it. You can easily mix your choice of fruits in a blender and use it as a mask. Baking soda. Baking soda is great for lightening and exfoliating the skin. Applying baking soda on the skin can help remove dark patches caused by hyperpigmentation. Baking soda is one of the proven home remedies for dark neck. Take half a cup of baking soda and place 1 or 2 teaspoons of water. The mixture should be a thick paste. Take the baking soda and massage it on the neck in a circular motion. Do this for 10 minutes and let it sit for another 10 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Do this every day for a week or more depending on the severity of the pigmentation. Here are some of the easiest natural home remedies to lighten the dark pigmentation of the skin around the neck. These remedies are used to moisturize, scrub, and cleanse the skin to lessen the darkness on the neck. Follow these home remedies regularly to get the best result. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to get rid of buttock scars, dark spots, and acne naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.